Welcome back to AutoNerveX, the channel where we dive deep into the world of cars, exploring their design, performance, and value. And today we're taking a very special look at a reborn icon, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. This car is not just a modern reinterpretation, it is a love letter to automotive history, blending classic beauty with futuristic technology in a way that feels both timeless and innovative. Let's start with the exterior because that's where the Karmann Ghia has always made its strongest impression. The original Karmann Ghia, introduced in the mid-1950s, was known as the poor man's Porsche, but its design carried an elegance and charm that made it a true automotive classic. The 2026 version takes heavy inspiration from that heritage while sharpening the lines for a modern audience. The body is low and sculpted, with flowing curves that echo the past but bring an aerodynamic efficiency needed for today's performance standards. The front end features sleek LED matrix headlights, subtly integrated into the rounded fenders, giving the car a welcoming yet aggressive stance. The traditional thin chrome bumper look has been reimagined with polished aluminum accents, keeping the nostalgic DNA alive. The side profile is where the romance of the Karmann Ghia shines through. The elongated hood, swooping roofline, and slightly muscular rear haunches give it a balance of sportiness and elegance. Frameless windows and flush door handles keep the profile clean, while the modern 20-inch diamond-cut alloys with a turbine-inspired design remind you that this is a machine ready for the future. The rear is minimalist but instantly recognizable, with rounded tail lamps, a subtle ducktail spoiler, and an illuminated Volkswagen emblem at the center. The dual exhaust outlets, seamlessly integrated into the bumper, complete the look with understated performance cues. In every angle, the Karmann Ghia 2026 is a car that stands out, not because it's shouting for attention, but because it has mastered the art of being timeless. Moving inside. The interior design is where Volkswagen has balanced luxury with heritage simplicity. The cabin greets you with premium materials, soft Napa leather seats, brushed aluminum trims, and optional open-pore walnut wood inserts. Unlike the cluttered dashboards of many modern cars, the 2026 Karmann Ghia focuses on a clean, driver-centric layout. The centerpiece is a curved 12.9-inch OLED infotainment display that floats gently above the dash, seamlessly merging with a fully digital 11-inch driver cluster. Volkswagen has also introduced their next-generation voice control system, which feels natural and intuitive, making it easier to interact with navigation, music, and even climate control. The seats are slim but supportive, inspired by the bucket style. Seats of the 1960s, yet equipped with modern comforts such as 14-way power adjustment, heating, cooling, and massage functions. The steering wheel is compact, flat-bottomed, and wrapped in soft leather, with tactile haptic buttons for precise control. Ambient lighting with over 30 customizable colors adds a futuristic touch, while the panoramic glass roof gives the compact cabin an airy and spacious feel. Sound insulation has been taken to a new level with acoustic glass and triple-layer door seals, making sure that when you want silence, you truly get it. But for those who want the thrill of driving sound, the premium Harman Kardon 14-speaker system delivers concert-like audio clarity. The interior is not just a place to sit, it's an environment to savor. Now, when it comes to performance, Volkswagen has made sure that the 2026 Karmann Ghia isn't just a design icon, but also a serious driving machine. Built on VW's updated MEB Evo platform, it offers two major variants. The base model is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder hybrid engine, producing around 280 horsepower, giving you brisk acceleration and efficiency combined. But the real headline grabber is the all-electric Karmann Ghia RS equipped with dual electric motors producing a combined 420 horsepower and 620 newton-meters of torque. With all-wheel drive and instant torque delivery, this version can sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.9 seconds, making it not only fast but also incredibly responsive. The chassis has been fine-tuned to deliver a perfect balance between comfort and agility. Adaptive dampers adjust in real time based on road conditions and driving modes, ranging from eco to comfort to sport plus. The steering is precise, giving you confidence whether you're cruising through the city or carving corners on a mountain road. The suspension setup keeps body roll in check while still absorbing road imperfections, making it both a daily commuter and a weekend sports car. The electric version offers a range of up to 520 kilometers on a single charge, thanks to the advanced 90 kilowatt-hours battery pack, and supports ultra-fast charging that can take you from 10% to 80% in just under 20 minutes. Whether you want performance, sustainability, or both, the Karmann Ghia delivers. Now let's talk about pricing, because this is where Volkswagen is positioning the Karmann Ghia as something truly accessible for the experience it offers. The base hybrid version is expected to start around $52,000, placing it in a competitive spot against premium coupes like the BMW Z4 or the TT. The fully electric RS variant, with its cutting-edge performance and technology, is expected to come in closer to $72,000. While not cheap, both models present incredible value considering the combination of heritage design, modern luxury, and cutting-edge performance that this car offers. For enthusiasts who have always admired the Karmann Ghia, this pricing strategy makes the dream of owning one far more achievable than a high-end Italian or British sports car. In conclusion, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is a masterclass in how to revive a classic without losing its soul. It respects its past while embracing the future, with an exterior that honors its roots, an interior that blends simplicity with luxury, performance that excites, and pricing that makes sense. This car is not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about feeling connected to a piece of automotive history while driving into the future. For collectors, enthusiasts, or anyone who appreciates design and engineering, the Karmann Ghia is more than just a car. It's an experience. This has been the detailed review of the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, and I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most stylish and unique cars of the decade. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to AutoNerveX, and let me know in the comments what you think of this stunning blend of heritage and modern technology. Would you choose the hybrid for daily usability or go all in on the electric RS for that thrilling performance? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep your passion for cars alive, and I'll see you soon here on AutoNerveX.